Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to calculate distance on Google Maps. You can do this easily in just a couple of minutes. First, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your device and then tap and hold on the map on your starting point to drop a pin. After dropping a pin, go ahead and open up this pin info card and click on Measure Distance. Right after you do that, you can then go ahead and drag the map and get the point to mark your second location. And once you are done, click on Add Point at the bottom right. Right after you do that, you will then be able to see that the distance has now been calculated at the bottom left in kilometers or meter. You can keep adding points if you want to measure a longer path or a total route. And that is how you can calculate distance on Google Maps easily, accurately, and fastly. This is perfect for planning walks, road trips, or even figuring out how far your delivery might be. If this helped you, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below what else you'd like to learn about Google Maps. Thanks for watching and stay smart and safe.